We will now talk about how to success with product development, and we're asking Madis Tomson from Windak on the stage.
Started in Windak a little less than 10 years ago, 2 months less, as a mechanical designer. I have been leading Windak's production factory together with product development last 3 years. And a little bit about Windak. It's a privately owned group of companies. It was founded in Sweden in 1994. Last year, despite the corona, we moved our production to a whole new facility and also opened a process and training center in our US office. My definition about the success, I think it's something that everybody needs to define to themselves. I think successful companies reach their targets, their goals, their plans. In other words, success is when the plan comes together. The mother of all plans, in my opinion, is vision. And I think all the employees should know the vision. In our case, the vision is to provide world-class cable packaging solutions that exceeds their customers' expectations. I believe this is the mother of all plans, and I use it very often. If I have a harder decision to make or I don't know what to decide, then I use a vision. And to be successful, I think easiest is to have some sort of advantage over competition. Advantage over competition is development and trust. Windak is an engineering company. We don't just sell machines. We wanna say that we provide a full range of services, from sales, project management till the end of product lifecycle. So successful companies need successful people, and I do believe that people make the companies. And this is our team in Windak Estonia, in our new production facility. Also some pictures here. The small circle, the green one, this is me. There I can take all the decisions, influence myself, whatever. In the bigger circle, the orange circle, this is my coworkers, colleagues, family. In this circle, I can't take any decisions, but I can influence them. In the bigger circle is something what I can't even influence. It can be the weather. Why I think it's important, it's very easy always to say that somebody else needs to do something, but I think that everything starts from the small circle, from yourself, from myself, and it can be compared to taken in use in company. For example, in this green circle, it can be Windak, and that's what I believe in. If you want to start with something, you should start from yourself.